Here at Epcot again, Lake Buena Vista. Here comes Monorail Silver from the Epcot to the Transportation and Ticket Center. And yes, as you can see, the storms are firing up right now, so hopefully I don't get stuck on it because there's lightning in the vicinity. And that's what I just heard. There was an update with the monorail systems now. The font of the Walt Disney World monorail system, the words on the monorail actually do glow up now at night. But unfortunately, we're probably not going to be able to see it though, unfortunately. So here comes Monorail Gold right now. I mean Silver. Pulling in. And I can clearly tell it is soaking out there somewhere towards the Transportation and Ticket Center.
We got it? Okay. Who was that? It was Brad or Angel? Who was the first one? Oh, okay, good. Excellent. James is good at it, so that's good. I'm glad. All right. I'm going to cut through. I'm going to get a break there, huh?
All right. Someone just got a pizza there. I'm currently riding this monorail by myself this time because I'm usually with my parents when I'm on board. This side closes first. Here we go. Nice and cool.
Welcome aboard the Walt Disney World Monorail system. We are traveling with transportation and ticketing. For those who stay, please hold on to the handles throughout our journey. Please stay clear and do not lean on the door for the comfort of others. No smoking, please. Thank you. Thank you for visiting our company, a park that celebrates our world. Thank you for possibly enjoy your trip around Walt Disney World. We look forward to seeing you at Epcot again soon.
Yeah, look at that storm right there. In a parking lot right now. Look at that storm over there. It's right over Epcot. You know, on the express monorail. It's creeping along though because there's another monorail in the station. Orange and red combined. or this side opens first, so. It needs to line up first.
Please remember to collect your belongings. Take no